unit PC activity 7. But as we know, there was a lot going on in activity 7 for the summary questions. So I'm going to reference some notes that I have here. Um, for the chart, for particles having separated by space, I put only gas because yes, the particles were separated, but in the simulator it looked as though they were close together. But I see what you mean for that section. Um, for the particles vibrating, I put liquids because the simulator, it looked like they were vibrating in the simulator. And then I liked your way of comparing the particles to moving like a school of fish. I didn't even think of that, and I have to remember that. Um, I like your reference to the experiments throughout the chart and the simulator. As you see, I referenced the simulator as well. So I like that. And for the particles increase when heated, I put all three because, but I said gas so that with kinetic energy, the particles must move faster and slower when cold. But your answer makes much more sense because the particles are already separated. Okay. So for number 2, I swapped it by saying the cold water, but your answer makes much more sense. The glass wouldn't change size, where only the lid changes size. And our diagrams are pretty much exactly the same. So I just expanded on the diagram for the last part. I wasn't sure if we added how it got to the state that we wanted it to be. So like when it said melted, I put it started at and then it melted. Or for the one that it said to go cold, I put it started at melted, go to cold. Um, but overall, I thought you did a great job.